Hi, today we are with Asmita and Sheenam. Hi.
Hi.
Okay, what's your opinion about smart cities?
Well, I think we are pushing too much towards the main urban developments and
Okay.
we are not looking towards the flaws that are actually prevailing much more.
Okay.
And
Okay.
I think
Smart
they need-
cities, I think India doesn't really have the capacity right now to deal with smart cities. We have, I think, only one smart city, which is Lavasa, right? And that too is like a very limited area.
Yeah, that's
So-
We also
that's
have
really
Gift
small.
City, which we made in Gujarat. So
Yeah,
that's all.
but I think I would rather focus on developing all of India first rather than developing a pocket, because even if you see Delhi, it's really far away from a smart city. So if you go into the rural areas, that's going to be a lot worse, right? So why not focus on developing everything first and then take it to a higher level?
level, exactly.
What all a good city should have.
I think safety comes first.
Yeah.
Okay.
I think safety is the first most major concern because we are living in Delhi and it's a metropolitan city, and if we cannot be, we as women, if we cannot be assured to be safe in the city, even at 9 in the night, I think that is the first thing that needs a lot of looking after.
So safety and good transport connectivity, because that also ties up with safety. If you have a good transport system that is secure even at night for women, that helps a lot.
Yeah, exactly, yes.
But what else besides these factors?
Sanitation, basic
Hygiene, cleanliness, yes.
Hygiene.
Cleanliness is a lot of issue, and now the air pollution index is also
Yeah.
rising,
Yeah.
so I think it needs a lot of
Plus traffic also. There's a
consideration.
lot of traffic in Delhi, like
Yeah,
Shillong
even the
drives.
even odd,
Huh.
yeah, even I drive, so I know it. And the even odd rule, I think 15 days it was okay. I'm not a supporter of AAP, but yes, I really support the issue.
It creates,
It's a really good initiative taken.
We have, just like you say, that sanitation and other infrastructure
Yeah.
need to be taken care of.
Yeah.
So it's like we have not been able to get the basics right, just like you
Yeah.
pointed out.
Exactly.
So don't you think that smart city is quite a like building castles in the sky, because we cannot
Yeah,
build a good
that's
roads?
what.
Yeah, exactly. We are not building up the foundation first. We are building the skyscrapers first. This is the problem. We are trying to be more urban with time, whereas the reality is we are
that
still at the
still
ground.
don't have the-
Yeah, we still don't have the basic amenities. We are still lacking infrastructure, and we are still lacking the capital to build it up. So I think these are the issues that really need to be taken into consideration.
Okay. So we have seen the past governments,
Yeah.
be it BJP, Congress, or any government we have seen
Right.
in the past. So considering the work they have done and considering the type of infrastructure, the talent, the expertise we have, and the past experience we have had with Commonwealth Games and the other real estate
Yeah.
projects,
Yeah.
like railways or housing scams. So anything like that falls into the trap of corruption, and the quality is often substandard, and it's not very good that the country gets a bad name due
Really,
to that.
it did- it-
So are we looking at another level of biggest disaster when it comes to building 100 smart cities? It's like 20 cities per year.
Yes,
Okay.
that is really a disaster, because I think, like I told you, the government is just rushing things right now. We are not really prepared for something that is too smart or too urban. As I told you, we need to build up the foundation first. I don't know what we were saying.
I
Building up
don't
20
know.
cities
Yeah,
at
20
one go.
cities is too much.
Too much,
But the
yes.
thing is that the BJP is getting a lot of good foreign investments and
Investments,
Japanese
capital, yeah.
technology and Chinese technology. So, if they do stick to proper building methods, it should go well. But I think, again, 20 cities is really pushing it.
Like, we don't know because the implementation hasn't been done as
That
of
great.
yet.
The only
So
thing
we
I
don't
think that has been implemented properly is the Delhi Metro. And that too,
Yeah,
if you would have read
metro is good.
in the past 1 week, there have been reports that, they've not estimated the ridership properly. So now there's a lot of strain on the metro also. So that also has had a few drawbacks. But at least infrastructure-wise, it's quite good.
Right.
So, like we said, that the 100 smart cities, as we were discussing, they would include a lot of investment, right?
Yeah.
And when we look at the kind of construction we are going to have, it's going to be really expensive affair to maintain.
Yes.
So, to counter that or to get balance that, we are going to have some maintenance issues. So
Yeah, of course.
so the planners and the builders have made the smart card system where only the privileged and the upper class would
Yeah.
be able to get into these cities. So
Yeah.
don't you think that it will create a social apartheid or social divide?
Definitely.
Well, I think with
Can lead to even more crimes because of.
yes, but
Crimes, I don't know, but first of all, it'll lead to a lot more of class division and
Yeah, class division is the main problem in India. People first tell about their money problems, they talk about their economical, financial front, and if there is something done to sort it out, they complain about it. So each and every issue that has been taken into consideration, there are two ways parting. One is something that favors it, and obviously there are two sides to each coin.
Recently, in the New York Times came report that there are masturbation booths
Yeah.
in New York. So,
Yes.
do you feel that such booths should be made in Delhi because there are a lot of crimes happening and
I
probably
don't know how implementing a masturbation booth would stop the crimes. I'm not saying it'll increase the crimes, but I don't see how it's going to correlate to stopping the
Stopping the
crimes.
crime.
Okay.
And obviously since
Plus, I
it's
think there's
New
so
York
much
is
more
a-
we can spend money on than this.
Yeah, exactly.
So, this is
Exactly. Like who is going to look after the hygiene of such
Yeah.
masturbation?
Exactly.
booths?
We
I mean
cannot look at how.
that's really gross, and just because it's something that has been established in a city like New York doesn't mean that we have
We
to
also should
essentially.
emulate it.
I mean, I don't even I'm not even if it's favor even of it being in New York. I don't think it's good enough.
okay.
I mean, just the thought of it
Now
makes
we
me
can't
cringe.
even maintain toilets.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
Exactly.
That's even a very far-fetched idea. One final question: what's your opinion about Khan Market?
Khan Market. My name is Khan Market. I'm not a mall. That is it.
Okay.
And your opinion?
It's nice. Like
Anything that can be improved here?
Road. Yeah.
connectivity, like
And the
God
place where
forbid
we
there's
walk.
a fire.
See, this is how we walk, and it's all unleveled. I think
Yeah.
this should be taken in.
And plus, it's really cluttered, and God forbid there's a fire. How does a fire engine come all the way?
No, they are not.
No, you won't find
Yeah,
these
yeah,
foods
because you're not
anywhere
tripped
else.
on them. That is why
You can't find
I have
these
tripped.
foods anywhere else.
Yeah, it's a nice.
That's it.
place.
Okay. Thanks a lot for your valuable
Thank you.
opinion to this
Yeah.
documentary, and hope you have a nice day. It was a
You
pleasure
too.
meeting you. Thanks
you.
a lot. Okay.